Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Today I have another video on making strops, but this one's a little different. I've got some beaver tail leather. We're going to put it together and see how it performs. I think everybody's going to like this one. I'm excited to see how it turns out. The beaver tail was something I wanted to do some experimenting with. We're going to lay it out here so we can cut the beaver. And I would say that's about right. So we're going to cut this and we'll square it off. Of course, we've got our lander too. It works great. And I'm going to cut it as straight as I can. It cuts good. Let's see about how far I want to put it up. And we'll go with the widest part up here and see what we have. And I believe this is about as much as we're going to get out of it. Balance it out just a little bit better. Now we're going to apply the glue, put a dumbbell on it, let it set, and we'll have what we need. Make sure we got it coated good so it sticks. But if you're not in a hurry, there's no point rushing it. Okay, let's set that to the side. Just a little more to this way. Now, we'll put this dumbbell on it, let it dry, we'll come back and finish. Then we'll test it out with a knife. I believe the glue's dried by now. We'll take this dumbbell off. Before we trim it, I want to let everyone know how smooth this cut. Trim it up. Won't even have to do any sanding on it. Cuts really easy. I think that turned out nice. And I went ahead and cut a piece of rawhide while the glue was drying. We'll go ahead and put this on now. Everyone knows how to cut that. They don't need instructions. You can use paracord. I've done that quite a bit. I do like this rawhide. And I'll show everyone. This that little Ozark knife I bought just to do demonstrations. And of course, I had to dull it some to get it to do that. I want to see what this does. It's got a good feel to it. I dulled this knife quite a bit. So we're going to run it across this 600 diamond compound a few times, and then we'll finish on that. I'll wipe it off. I believe this is going to be what I want. Now we'll see. This is one of those we're going to experiment with a little more. We'll have an update on it later. Now we'll sit down and have a few final words on this. Okay, now we're finished. Well, I'm going to explain. I use this to dull this. Dulled it quite a bit. That's why I decided to use a little 600 grit diamond compound and then finish it off with this. Of course, everyone knows the more you strop, the better it will get. First time using this, a little learning curve. I will have a short reel with an update here before too long, and everybody can see. This came from the lever guy. They got a lot of different levers at that company. Actually, they sent some English bridle lever in with this, and we're going to have a strop video on that one. We're going to make block strops. This one was perfect for a paddle. With that said, check them out, see what they have. The link will be below in the description box, and the customer service is really well with them. Till then, the Bearded Sharpener. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.